So this is the layer system in Sonar 8.5. So what I used to do, and what I'm still doing, because I won't, give it up, is essentially use this as a big scratch pad for any kind of tracks. This is a little drum loop. It's a bit ridiculous, but you can do this on vocals, on guitars, on anything, and it's it's kind of boring. Right, so we can just choose a few slices, and I mean the main difference essentially is that everything overlaps still, like it is, like it to me should, It's kind of a giant editor, multi-editor, where you can quickly draft and try different ideas without any restriction, Why not, And it's still overlapping. Like if you were to see what's going on really, yeah, see you see the different sections kind of overlap now. But that's cool. It's like, let's say this is version 8, whatever. Okay, let's try the second one quickly. And just be creative. And I'm being a bit random right now, I know it. When it's time to be a bit more organized, for example, for vocal, if you need to do some vocal comping, the same kind of mentality still applies. Like you can really get you can quickly achieve different interesting variations. It's about being creative, not fixing and comping, but being creative and choosing to add to a comp. Well, this is version A for that end of that sentence, version B, version C, and then you can have the artist and you can propose which do you prefer, which ad lib, how do you like your end on that word, etc. And you have many ways to do it, and it's so quick. It's not just to fix stuff; it's actually to create different variations. Another one, and it's still, again, everything's overlapping. Everything is going through the same insert bin. It's affected by the same gain input, same everything. And if I were to do something similar in X3 today, I would have to have many audio tracks. I cannot do it on the comping system, on the lane system. It's not as quick. Also, I'll tell you this. I mean, the whole handle here that is on the X3, to me, it's a waste of time. It's I have to aim. I don't have to aim here. I just move. It's okay to do mistakes at the beginning. This is kind of like some clay that you're molding. We're not mixing. We're not structuring. We're trying stuff out. And I do believe that it was an essential part of the creative process, even for today's musician. You wanna try quick idea stuff. This could be the beginning of a loop for the beginning of a song. Then you would add a kick, snare, and all of a sudden you have a groove going. And you do this with guitars as well. You can see a little guitar section that's kind of boring. You do a few variations. You're not sure which one at 1.1 clicks, and off you go.